Whoa, that's cool. It's a TV actually.
Oh yes, and then they just do.
Oh, look at this, Kyle. Harry Potter.
Oh, Mona Lisa.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Wow, cute. Wow, the bike. That's what he wanted to do. Oh, it's really big. Ride it. Oh, I see. He can ride that.
I see. Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, put your helmet on. Let's do it together. You okay?
Wow, that's so fun. What's happened?
That one, I don't know. I think that one is to make it faster. Joseph.
Very fast. 2, 1.เอามือจับกล่องไว้ดีๆเอามือจับผ้าสีแดงไว้ดีๆโอ้นี่เราพังได้ทางนี้ลองนั่งให้ก่อนดูสิโอเค
So you haven't done it?
No I actually don't like anything fast you have to come close I'm actually too scared.
Mommy, come on. Mommy's scared. How about we go up and see?
No! Yeah!
Go, Mommy. Ooh.
It's not cute. Woo! Wow, wow, brave boy.
Whoa. What did you
Uh-oh.
do, Kyle? And there's a slide there.
What? No big side.
There's a big slide here. Look here. Oh, Tanya, that's a very cool walk.
There's a competition.
That's a Minions walk.
There's a competition. Do you want to beat me?
Bye, Kyle. Oh, that's pretty fast. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
We need to put up there.
Try. Go this way. Follow, 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 follow. in. Yay! On the so you go up and then go in the house and then come down the slide, please. Hello.
Daddy, go there.
Come down. See, right, Mike.
โอเค
Okay, go.
ไปเลยระวังแล้วก็เลี้ยวซ้ายเลี้ยวไปลูกเก่งมากเก่งมากสัญญาณไฟสัญญาณไฟสีอะไรครับสีเขียวไปได้ไปเลยตรงไปตรงไปครับโอเคแล้วใครต้องดูไฟด้วยนะครับดูไฟจราจรด้วยนะเวลาข้ามถนนน่ะว้าวน้องใครจำได้ไหมตอนเด็กๆอ่ะน้องใครต้องใช้เก้าอี้ด้วยที่เนี่ยเพราะว่ามันสูงไงเอาไปเปิดน้ำให้
Oh, barbecue.
เราจะเอาเนื้อเนี่ยอันนี้กินไม่ได้แล้วก็ไปปิ้งก่อนแล้วก็มาปิ้งแล้วเป็นเส้นเป็นไม้ตายแล้วไม่ต้องนี้เลยIf airplane come, let me know. I want to take video of the airplane.
Oh, another airplane coming.
Happy in the window. Stand there. Bye-bye, airplane. What can you do? Airplane there, and you can see airplane here. Whoa!
Good shot.
Yeah.
There should be more behind. You got all the money? 30, is it? 30. 30.
Per person.
Hey, careful, careful, careful. Alright, one for me, one for daddy, one for mommy, one for mommy.
ไม่เห็นหน้าเลยอ่ะ
There's actually not many stops for this one.
How long does it take?
It's coming at 7:05. The first time catching this?
No.
Really?
Not big file.
Really?
Thank you. Ibo ime, ibo ime, ibo ime. not hot anymore เพราะเมื่อกี้เราเดินตั้งนานใช่ไหมเราเดินจนมันหายร้อนแล้ว This one for me ว้าว
I have the smallest one.
She put a lot of filling too
You don't really like country, don't you?
Yeah I like medium
How come you didn't tell her? 7 o'clock. Good morning, Kyle. You wake up and you want to have yogurt? You want Daddy to help? Bye bye, hotel.
Bye bye hotel
Bye bye. See you next time. We're back at our Mook noodle shop where they sell boat noodle. This is my favorite boat noodle shop for a while. Nothing beats this one. And ice cream too. Excellent. This is better than anything I had in Thailand. No, this is mine.
Kyle wants durian ice cream
Mommy, can you get this one?
have to get the before it melts
You don't want that one? He doesn't want that one.
try eat it first
Yeah.
finish that first Kyle
Let's eat this one together.
Kyle eat so slow you need to bite it to make it quick oh no his top all dirty
Wow. Oh, no, 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 no. That's gonna break.
oh you're gonna
That's
fall 3, 2, 1
Wow.
diabetes
Mm. It's so yummy that I feel like I'm gonna get sick after this. Wow. I like the inside. It's sticky. I don't like the top.
Wow, it's got mango. It's got real mango. Try it, Kyle.
I don't know what this is for.
You want extra flavor?
I'll see if I can bring close to you guys. Sounds good.
We arrived at the airport. Let's go.
Forgot the bag.
I don't know if I can call.
How can you call? You don't have phone number? No.
But I don't know if I can call.
Yeah.
We forgot one of our bags at the hotel. To the camera, what happened, Tanya?
We left the hotel. We arrived at the airport, but we forgot this bag.
And what's inside that bag?
It's got our airport wear.
Yeah, like the warm
Airplane
clothing,
wear.
right? So if we don't have that,
It's
we're gonna
be cold, especially Kyle.
yeah.
But he will be here in about
15?
It's so cool, Thailand.
Yeah, I love it.
Thailand.
And how much is it?
165.
So that's about
Estimate drop off time.
$8.
But it could be late. We got the bed. Good job, honey.
Good job.
But we only have 2 hours left.
No, we only have like 1 hour left. We finished our immigration. Let's look for some airline lounges. I think we need to go Miracle. No, it's Miracle. Yummy? We're going E10. Wait, why did you stop, buddy? Yep. This way.
On TV ฉันเขายังไม่ให้ดูหรือเปล่าได้สิ
Close him now.
Goodbye.
We got some snacks now.
And I'm gonna win the game.